Welcome back, dear friends. Inside this class we are going to learn how we can use image as a background. So I have just downloaded images. For the background I'm just going to show you here. This the images, image 2, image 3, image 4. Just you can see the preview here. This BG1, it means image 1, image 2, 3 and 4. So there is 4 images with different size that we are going to use inside this project. So let's just start using image as a background. So body is a default selector. You can just select the body tag inside style tag, CSS style tag. You can say the background color, you can say just blue, green or any other color. You can save and see the preview here. Now it is just a green background color. You can just say red, you can say brown or any other color, but this is just color, not image. If you want to use image as a background, you can just use here body, then these two curly braces here, these two curly braces, then you can say the background and here dash image, background dash image, then you can say just URL and this two round bracket, then semicolon, just like this. Inside this two round bracket you are giving the name of your image with the type. For example, we have image1 bg1.jpg. you can save, go to your browser and refresh. Now we have image here just as a background. So you can just go to inside body tag. Let's just insert heading 2 here. Hi and welcome to CSS 3. Just insert some BR here. I want to create some extra space. Just insert some more BR. I think this just okay. Duplicate this again and again. Now you can save, and after refreshing you can just focus on the right side or on the right corner. Now we have just a scroll bar here that you can just scroll and you can see that the image is ended here and it is repeated again and again. You can see it is ended here, once again it is repeated. So I want to just give a white text color for this. So for that I can just select the heading 2. Heading 2 is a default selector. The color for that can be F, just which is a white text color. Now you can just scroll down and you can see the image is ended here, and this the second image that is repeated, and this the third image that is started from here, and you can see. So if you want to turn off the repetition of this image, you can just write here background dash repeat, and the value should be no repeat. If you want to turn off the repetition, save and refresh. Now you can see the image is just ended here and the repetition is off. There is no other image. So let's just change the image here. I'm just going to use image number 4. You can just save and refresh. So this is just image with a small size. I want to just repeat this image, background repeat, just repeat horizontally, not vertically, just horizontally. I refresh. Now it is just repeated only horizontally. If you want to repeat vertically, you can just write here Y instead of X and refresh. Now it is just repeated vertically instead of horizontally. So I hope it is clear for you the concept between X and Y. X will repeat your image background horizontally from left to right, and Y will repeat your image background vertically from up to down, just like this. So if you want to just turn off the repetition, you can say no repeat, so it will not repeat the image. Save and refresh. So you can just use different images. Just try to use image with the big size, image number 2. Let's just try. So this is just another image. So focus just here when I'm scrolling down. So the images end it here, and it is just scrolling both the image and the text. I want to just scroll down, and I want to be the image should be fixed. So for that you can just say background attachment, and you can just give the value fixed. Save and refresh. Now you can just scroll down. You can see the background image is fixed and it is not scrolling, just the text is scrolling. Just focus on the left corner on the text. You can see. Let's change the image to image 1. Once again, save and refresh. Now you can see it is just working perfectly. So for background attachment we have two value, fixed and scroll. By default it is scroll. What happened? Let's see. Scroll. A refresh, or you can just see the preview from here once again, and you can see both are scrolling, text and image. So just put the value for this fixed. Save and refresh. Now the background image is fixed and just the text is scrolling. Yes friends, I hope you understand how we can use image as a background. So in next class we will come back. We will discuss about class and ID. So till next class you must practice. Try to watch this video, download image from anywhere with a big size, and try to use that image as a background and try to put the value background attachment fixed. Try to just repeat vertically, left to right, up to down. Try to practice all this will make you perfect. Then have a nice time and see you.